So I just unboxed this new Swagger 3, right? Came out of the box. Basically, this was just folded down. So really all you had to do was just unbutton it from that right there. And there you go. You got, comes out of the box like that. You've got the hand grips. Just tighten those in. So let's go ahead and do that. Charge it, fire this bad boy up and see how it runs. All right, one of the extreme flaws in this is these right here. So everything's pretty easy out of the box except the handlebars. If you don't grease the actual threads, you might have some problems getting them to attach here, and then if you don't do that, you run the risk of cross-threading it, and you know, that's not very good. So the handlebars on this particular edition are going to be an issue. All right, so I took it out for a spin. It rides pretty good. There's definitely 3 modes here. So here's on, obviously you hold it for 3 seconds. I'm just turning it off, but 3 seconds right there. Then obviously to power it, there's the import, and right above it is the USB. You've also got the mode. So if you're in mode 1, it goes slow. If you go to mode 2, it goes a little bit faster. In mode 3, even faster. And you can see all that. You obviously have lights. This is your brake. Kind of iffy. I'd rather a hand brake, but whatever. And then your accelerator. So you can even see if I have it on, right? The brake. So overall, it's cool. I like it. It gets the job done. A little bit of a rough ride. Tires are pretty, you know, for the price, you get what you pay for. Like I said, you can fold it down. The only thing I don't really like about it is the hand grip situation. Just, that's the most negative thing so far is the hand grip. So I figured I'd share this video with you guys.